Hey guys, welcome back to another episode Up and Running. Thanks for watching. All right, let's get after it today. All right, my buddy came by with his 67 Camaro. I'm going to be doing a little tune-up work on it, mainly on the carburetor, and then we're going to be doing a little AC work on it. So I'm not exactly sure what's going on with it or what the deal is. I have to find that out yet, but we'll get it taken care of. So one thing that I always kind of like to do when I start out on a job like this is to take a look at it and just kind of look at everything and see what's going on. So the first thing I notice is that there's no choke on this car. They just have the choke wired up solid, so it doesn't work at all. There's literally no choke on this car. The second thing that I noticed is this line right here is the vacuum advance for the distributor, and that's not hooked up to anything either. So it always pays to just kind of look at stuff first and see what's going on, and you can pick up on a few things like that. All right, we're going to take a look at the AC on this car, and he says it's not working. That's about all I know, so let's check the gauges and see what's going on here. Clutch turned on. I'm basically just filling it so I can see if the system works or not. Looks like we got a little leak in here. Alright, I'm going to have to see about taking this glove box out to see if there's any access over here. Alright, this is with the glove box out. It's I still can't see the line that's leaking. It's way back in that corner there. Back up that way. I took that cover off, which was no small task. It's glued on, and there's 3 hoses underneath there. And when I felt up under the dash, I think it's the one that's crimped, but I'm going to have to verify that to see which one is actually spraying. So that'll be next thing to do.
Oh, and start it?
I guess, put the AC on.
Okay. All right, give it a try. Yeah, and immediately, so, could you, look, when I'll start, I'll put some Freon and start it. Because immediately the compressor came on. I'm going to put a little more in there. Okay, can you see where you think it is?
If it comes out like it did the other day, I mean, it was spraying.
And we may have to do this and pull the box down, but we'll see. It could be a bad evaporator. Nothing yet?
Not yet.
I'll go a little more. Cold?
Yeah.
What do you think if I shut it off, it might do it?
Maybe.
All right. Nice and cold.
Yeah, it was blowing really cold.
Nothing yet?
Not yet.
How long do you think you let it run, Ken?
How long did it run yesterday, Jake? Between, yeah, I was gonna say 5 minutes, something like that. Still trying to see if we can get that AC to leak. So far it has not. So this solenoid right here is what clicks and gives it a little more gas when the compressor turns on. Let me see if I can catch it. There, it just shut off. There, it just kicked back on. That's to help steady the idle when the AC kicks in. Okay, so this thing started hissing again. Let's see where it is. Right out of that crimped line. Ed opened the door, so now it's blowing around instead of just being all settled in there. Alright, I didn't film it because it was so tight, but I got that hose off inside there, and now I got to work on getting it pulled through to here. So that's what I'm doing now. I got to get the battery out to create a little more room. I'm going to disconnect that from down below real quick. Alright, they routed this through the fender here, so I'm going to work on pulling it through. Oop. I'm having to twist the line a little bit to keep the connector from like hanging up on stuff there. And try not to scratch the paint. There it is. Whew. We're getting the spray out of the hole, but that tells me that the crimp is still not good enough, so that's what was going on here. You see if I can show you the hole. There, you can see it. It's right there. It was either vintage air or old air.
It's vintage air.
Oh, it's vintage? I knew it was one of the two. Alright, I gotta feed this all the way through the fender now. That'll be fun. Alright, made it through one.
Did the rubber piece fall off inside?
What rubber piece?
The grommet, it didn't come out with it?
Oh, I guess I did not see it. Alright, I've got it through my hole out here.
And I can't see nothing. I'm looking through the hole. Don't push.
Okay.
Because I got to come through the hole now. I got it.
Okay, you got it. Alright.
Would it help if I pushed it back in?
I don't know.
You know, they talk about how great these units are. This is how Ron was trying to get it done, Ken.
Yeah. See, what I can't see is, am I on it or not? And it's like...
No, hey, let me... Oh, okay. That's it.
Is it tight?
Yeah.
Alright. It's on. Alright, we're going to suck this down and see if it holds vacuum, and then we'll know if we've got it or not. Alright, here it goes. thermostat in it and see how it's doing. Nice and cool. We're in the green zone, which is like a little below 45. We're right at the right amount. We got decent pressure, so I'm gonna shut her off. The compressor just turned off. All right, that's gonna wrap this up. Got it all back together. Got the glove box back in. So it's all ready to go. Sorry, it's a little dark in here today. Make sure everything's out of there. And there we go, all done. Hey guys, let's take a look at some viewers' rides. Hey, if you want to see your ride on the channel, send me some good quality pictures of your classic to the email address below. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for another episode Up and Running. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to come back next time.